Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Brimlow. So I just wanted to take a minute to show you some of the different tools available in Google Docs so that as you're working through this playlist and trying new activities, you can navigate it a little easier. So for this project, you're going to be choosing 5 celebrities and looking up their net worths. Then you're going to write their net worths in standard form in scientific notation. Standard form shouldn't be an issue because you can just use your keyboard as is with commas and the numbers. However, with scientific notation, that will get a little bit tricky. So, if you go up to the toolbar and you look at the buttons available underneath the title, you're going to see a button that says Insert. And if you scroll halfway down that menu, you're going to see Equation. When you click on that, you're going to notice another toolbar pop up under your normal one. And you're also going to notice a little blue box, very light, with your cursor inside. So, this is the equation toolbar that you can use for different symbols and to explain math. So, if I want to type a number in scientific notation, I would still use, for the most part, my normal keyboard. So, I'm just going to make up a number 3.52. I'm going to just use X for times and then 10. Now, here's the tricky part and why this tool is necessary. When you need to type in an exponent, you can do this through the equation editor by hitting Shift and 6 at the same time. So once again, for exponents, you want to hit Shift and 6 at the same time after the number or term you want it to come with. So I'm just going to put in 6. And you can make this as long as you want. If you need it to be negative, you can type the minus sign and then the number, whatever you need it to be. The one thing you want to remember is that when you're done with your exponent, you want to hit the right arrow key. So that way it's not in the exponent form anymore and you could keep typing. There's some other great features to the equation editor toolbar. So anytime you need to start an equation, you just hit new equation. So they've got some Greek letters and symbols, your mathematical operation symbols, your comparison, inequalities, and equation symbols. You can also use it to type in fractions. So for example, 3/4, I would type in 3, click underneath the fraction bar, type 4. Um, you can do square roots, some different parenthesis options, absolute value, arrows. So you won't necessarily use all of these features, but it's just nice to know about. And I just want to scroll down to talk to you about one part of the project. So after you go through and pick out your celebrities and find their net worths, you're going to order them from greatest to least in the second table. And on the number line below, you're going to place your celebrities from least to greatest according to their net worths. So to do this, I want you to just Google search appropriate images of your celebrities, then copy and paste them right above the tick marks provided, once again from least to greatest. And then for the last part, you have to choose 3 questions to answer, and you can just type right in the doc because you're going to be getting a copy of it. The one thing I need you to do, if you choose to do this activity and finish it, I need you to go up to the share button and I need you to share it with me. So it's just Kayla_Brimlow, or if you're doing this for Miss Bainey, Monica_Bainey. And then we will take a look at it. Once again, this is an expansion activity. So this is your choice to do. You don't have to, but I think it would be kind of fun. And I'm interested to see what you find. So once again, this is just some helpful tips. You can always reach out to Mrs. Brimlow with any questions. I'm happy to meet with you over Google Meet or do my best to answer your question over email. All right. Can't wait to see what you do.